In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube with faceless videos using AI. The best part is that you don't need to combine multiple software tools. Everything is done with one simple platform. I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, from creating the videos and thumbnails to uploading them, and even a secret monetization method at the end that helps you start earning right away. Before we start, if you want to follow along, don't forget to use the link in the description to get started with InVideo AI today. As I mentioned, we're going to create faceless YouTube videos using AI, and the niche we'll focus on is the animal niche. As you can see, channels in this niche can make upwards of $8,000 a month or around $102,000 per year. This is a great niche because these videos get tons of views, and AI works perfectly for this type of content since there's so much free footage of animals available online. That makes the videos look more engaging than many other topics. The first step is finding a proven video you can recreate. There are many ways to do this, but the best method is to go to a channel in your niche, check out their most popular videos, and recreate something similar. For example, one I found interesting was the 10 strongest animals in the world, which got over 559,000 views. It's not too old and covers a topic people are always searching for. It's also very simple to make. Now, the most important step is creating the actual video. We'll be using AI for that. I've made many YouTube videos using different tools, including InVideo. Now, InVideo has released a new tool called InVideo AI, and that's what we'll be using. You can find it using the link in the description. You can try it completely free, but the free plan has limitations. It doesn't let you use iStock footage, which is some of the best available. You also don't get enough export time for real YouTube content. Only about 10 minutes of video creation, which isn't enough. I suggest upgrading to at least the Plus plan. I think the price is around $40 to $60, and it's even cheaper if you pay yearly. Once you have your InVideo AI account, you're ready to start following along. When you log in, you'll see the main dashboard. From here, click Explore All. We'll be creating a YouTube explainer video, but there are tons of different video types you can make with this tool. For our example, select YouTube Explainer. You can also choose the length. Usually, you'd want it to be between 7 and 10 minutes. But for this demo, we'll make it 5 minutes so it finishes faster. Now, simply type your topic. For instance, the 5 strongest animals in the world. You can make your prompt more specific if you want, but that's optional since you can always edit it later. Then, choose background music. And for the voice, I prefer using a male voice with a Midwestern accent. You can also add subtitles. I usually go with the standard style. There's also an option about using iStock. Always choose Prefer using iStock, since it gives better footage. Once everything is set, hit Continue. Now it's going to generate your video. Depending on your computer and internet speed, it might take a few minutes. Once it's ready, you'll see an option to adjust the title and make a few tweaks. You can set the tone to be educational or professional, but for now, just keep it simple and hit Continue. After a short wait, your video will be ready. For example, it might say something like,
"In the vast and intricate tapestry of life, strength manifests in truly astonishing ways. We humans often measure power by our own standards, by the weights we can lift in a gymnasium, or the machines we can build. But the natural world operates on a different scale entirely. Here, survival is the ultimate test of strength, a pressure that has sculpted creatures of unimaginable power. Its magnificent horn. Built for... Number 5. The rhinoceros beetle. A living suit of armor named for its magnificent ship, it wrestles rivals. It also digs for food and shelter, commanding the forest. Doing so, it recycles nutrients and... Estimates suggest...
That's pretty cool. But let's say you want to make it more entertaining. You can add something like funny puns. Just type a prompt such as add some funny puns and hit generate again. The AI will rewrite certain parts while keeping the rest of your video the same. For example, it might add something like,
immensely powerful. Number 4. Speeds. Stronger than an adult human. Power for display strength. Estimates suggest at least 6 times stronger than an adult human. Power for display and defense, not needless aggression. A strength tempered by responsibility. Leadership, muscle, and mercy combined. Number 2. The saltwater crocodile.
You can also manually edit your video. Just click Edit, and you'll see both the script and the media. If you click on a specific video clip, it highlights the part of the script it's connected to. To change that clip, click Search, type something like gorilla, hit Enter, and choose a new video from the options. Then click Replace and hit Apply Changes. It's that simple. The most important part, however, is adding an intro and outro. You could have added this earlier in your prompt, but I'll show you how to do it afterward. Go to Edit Script, scroll to the top, and add a new section before the first paragraph. For example, write something like, "Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you the 5 strongest animals in the world, starting with number 1. Then click Apply Changes. Once it loads, the intro will automatically be added. You can do the same thing for your outro. Maybe add a line thanking viewers for watching or asking them to subscribe. After that, your AI-generated YouTube video will be ready to export and upload. That was actually pretty cool how the video opened up. Again, if you wanted to change that clip, you could easily go to Edit and swap it out. It's all very simple. Now that the video is finished, the next step is exporting it. Click Export Video. Keep in mind that if you're using a free account, your video will have a watermark, which is another reason you don't want to stick with the free plan. You also don't want any branding, so make sure to export in 1080p quality, then hit Continue. Once it's done rendering, the video will download automatically. And there it is, your completed video. Pretty awesome, right? Now it's time to upload it to YouTube. You'll need a YouTube channel for this, of course. The one I'm using here is just an example, but you'll want to create one that matches your niche. For example, if your videos are about animals, name your channel something like Animal Info or something similar. Having a channel name that reflects your niche is very important. If you already have a YouTube channel, you can edit it by going to Customization, then Basic Info, and changing the name to something more fitting, like Animal Info. Once you've done that, publish the changes. This part doesn't matter much for the example, but it's good to know for your own channel. Next, go to Create and click Upload Videos. Select the video file you just created and double-click it. When uploading, remember the key rule: model after what's already working. The video we used as inspiration was titled 10 Strongest Animals in the World, so we'll title ours 5 Strongest Animals in the World. You can also add a small phrase like, "You won't believe it," to make it more click-worthy. It's a subtle form of clickbait that helps attract more views, though it's completely optional. The next and most crucial step is your thumbnail. Don't skip this part. For thumbnails, I use Canva. It's a free tool, though I use the paid version for extra features. You can access it at canva.com. Once inside Canva, create a custom size, 1920 by 1080, and click Create New Design. Again, you want to model success, so look at what's working in your niche. For instance, the example thumbnail we saw had a line of text at the top and 3 animal images. Let's recreate something similar. Go to Elements and search for a rectangle. Drag it to the top of your design and stretch it across the width of the canvas. Change its color to black so your text stands out. Then go to Text, add a heading or text box, and type your title. The example used white and red text, so we'll do the same for demonstration purposes. Make the text white first so it's readable, and choose a bold font like Oswald or Anton, since thick fonts look great on thumbnails. Type something like Most Powerful Animals and adjust the size to fit nicely across the top. Center it, and if you want to emphasize part of the text, highlight that section and change its color to red. Now, Let's add the animal images below. Go to Photos and search for one of the animals from the video, like a gorilla. Pick one that looks strong or intimidating, something eye-catching. Next, search for a dung beetle. If the images overlap, you can crop them to fit better. If one image goes behind another, use the Position option and bring it to the front. Finally, add a third image, like an elephant or a lion. Choose whichever fits best visually. Once all the images are arranged, compare your thumbnail with the example. They should look similar, which is good, because it's based on a design that's already proven to work. Don't stress too much about perfecting thumbnails right away. The key is to start creating videos and stay consistent. When you're happy with your design, click Share in Canva, then Download. Choose PNG format for better quality. If the file size is too large, over 2 MB, use Canva's Compress File option before downloading again. Once it's saved, return to YouTube, select Upload Thumbnail, and upload your new thumbnail. It should now appear perfectly on your video. Next, mark your video as Not Made for Kids. Click Next, and skip adding an end screen for now. You can do that later once you have more videos uploaded. The end screen feature is used to promote other videos at the end of your content. For now, just hit Next again and save the video as unlisted, since there's still one final step before publishing. This next part is important. Since YouTube has updated its monetization rules, the subscriber requirement for earning ad revenue has been reduced from around 1,000 or 2,000 to just 500 subscribers. But even so, when you're just starting out, you'll be at zero. So, if you want to make money right away, the best method is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products. You include a special link in your description, and whenever someone buys through that link, you earn a commission. You don't need to create or ship any products yourself. Platforms like ClickBank offer tons of affiliate products across different niches, including animal-related ones. This is one of the easiest and fastest ways to start earning while you build your YouTube channel and grow your audience. And that's how you do it. It's simple to create, yet highly effective. Everything you saw was done entirely using InVideo AI. I honestly believe it's one of the best AI tools for making YouTube videos, especially for faceless content. And if you'd like to try it yourself, use the link in the description.